Hello everyone, welcome back to my Slow English podcast, English with Mamun. Today in this video, I would like to share with you importance of learning English. Why am I practicing English any circumstance? Why am I learning English every day? Now I will explain. You know that our mother tongue is Bengali. It is our first language. Our second language is English. That's why we can't speak in English properly. We can't make English video properly any circumstance. Side by side, you know that English is a global language. If you want to communicate with different countries people, first of all you have to know English properly, then you can speak with them. Side by side, if you know English properly, you can get good job. You can speak in English properly any circumstance. Side by side, at present many students they are learning English because English is an international language. If you want to learn English, first of all you have to practice English any circumstance. I will request you, if you want to speak in English properly, if you want to get a good job, you have to practice English. You have to make English video any circumstance. It is so essential for you. Side by side, why am I learning English every day? I have decided I will learn English properly and I will speak with my native friends. That's why every day I'm practicing English any circumstance. Side by side, when I get free time, I try to speak with them. Side by side, like this way I'm improving myself day by day. I know that English is not hard language for me. For that, every day I'm trying to improve my speaking skills. I'm trying to improve my listening skills. Side by side, when I will learn English properly, I can get good job. I can get good job. I can teach many students. For that, English so important for our daily life. When you will go on your YouTube channel, that time you have to know English. When you will go on your Facebook page, first of all you have to know English. At present, without practicing English, you won't be able to know anything. That's why you have to know English properly. When you will buy any product from market, first of all you have to know English properly, then you can buy good product. Side by side, at present I'm learning English. I will speak with my native friends. I will speak different countries people. For that, every day I'm practicing English any circumstance. When I will go America or when I will go China, that time I need English. If I don't know English properly, I won't be able to speak with them. I won't be able to describe what am I telling. When I will speak in Bengali,